Hey guys, welcome to the new Photoshop tutorial in which we talk about the curves. So what is curves and how you can use in Photoshop, so I will tell you. Okay guys, first of all, this is a sample image which can I have downloaded from the internet. And when you get an image, you have to click like I have shown in a previous video, like you have to click 2 times there and make the name layer, maybe change the layer name. You can simply take this is curl. Okay guys, so we are coming on the back to the curves. So why we use curves? Like curves are used for getting predefined or maybe some defined makeover to the images. Like you can set tones, you can set color, you can set the shadows as well as brightness. So how you can use it? Okay, simply go there, you can see this icon, click on that and click on curves. When you click on it, the new layer has become like curves. Okay, so you have a right to anything. You can which face, like increase the brightness, lower the brightness, adjust the contrast, or anything you want to add. Okay, this is a very simple factor. But if you want to use a color on a different channel, like maybe some RGB, red, green, blue, or maybe on CMK, so how you can use it? Firstly guys, you have to create a new layer, because the new layer is already created, so we don't have to create a new layer. Okay, simply go to blue. I choose blue. When I choose on blue, you can see there are some blue damage area has come, which gives a yellow like tint, maybe some beautiful look, like beautiful tint, which can give our image a new side. If you want to see that, I have closed this layer. Firstly the image was that, and now the image looking very great. This is only a blue, because we contrast the blue layer, because the bluish, we contrast the blue brightness and blue curves on that. So if you want happy with this, you can simply save it. Otherwise you can click again to it 2 times on that layer. After, you can specify the point, like I have to specify that point. So it will change the opacity, because the channel which is on the RGB. When I click again, so it will give to my pixel layer properties, because I have choose it. But when I choose it, it gives me like you can choose a width, size, J, or anything. After that, we again go there and click on blue. If you're unsatisfied with the result, so you can simply go there and you can also change it. Like when I go again blue, but before proceeding, I have choose this layer and an option it to like that. But I have choose some non-bluish color, and this may give me a like a you make this is like a dark brightness effect, which is gives an image, like if you want to make a movie or working on a VFX, so this effect is very useful to getting a line drop or maybe some creating a mask on that. Okay, this was second phase. Next one is when you clicking when you if you want to click on the red format. So how you can find the red format? Simply click those and you can get the red format like that. Yo, this is maybe a simple red. When you experiment on that, you can simply click that and make some of effect, like and make some effect on, simply click. When if you want to certify with this result, you can simply click. But in red portion, there are many red. The red of the color is very tendency is very low, so we can only find the main tags in the image which are given us a red brightness. After that, we can choose to green. Yeah, you say that there's no green, but they are only green, so we can find a green texture. Or you can simply create a new mask and make a, because we have no mask selected, so we can click on mask, vector mask, shadow. I choose I choose black. I choose black and white, and simply click on brush. Go etc. Click on girl. Oh sorry guys, I have choose the wrong brush. I have to choose a simple brush and click this layer to, we have to click this layer to white. I also do by shortcut, but I tell you step by step. And simply click on vector mask. Now let me click, because the mask has been created. There are some good effect that we can push, and you can choose any brush you want to add in your tried. I can choose this and make this happen. Okay, this is a very simple project which gives you a new interface on RGB presence and also a grain, and you can also decrease the brightness from there and make this image like cooler than, because first of all our image like that, and it is and with a new brightness challenge and many use for, maybe use for your projects and many more. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any question on this video, so please write in comments and I will answer all of them. This video is very particularly for the curves, but in my next video I will show that what is different with the curves and labels, because you have seen that the labels and curves are maybe the same but not, because the curves are mainly for the mix for the pixels, like if you're working on RGB or something, because it was technically and you have to chance to get the power of the curves in your images or maybe in projects. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video please share with your friends and please subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day.